Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my June BOXYLUXE. So BoxyCharm, if you guys are not familiar with it, is a monthly makeup subscription box, makeup / beauty. And every 3 months, if you subscribe to BoxYLUXE, they will send you an even bigger box for, I want to say it's like $25 more. Down below I'll have all the information if you guys are not familiar with it, but I'm sure a lot of you are. So I have no clue what is in here, so let's get into it. Okay, so there is a card, and let's see this. So this month the theme is called the Oasis, and this little card, it tells everything on the side what is in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's gonna be 8 items, and I just looked over them really fast. I still have no idea what is in the box. So this is gonna tell exactly what the things are and how much they are. So the first thing in here I'm seeing, okay, so there must be something from Kylie Skin in here. This is enjoy $5 off. There's a coupon. And then there's also Perfect Glow BB Cream. Well, I'm hoping that this is in the box because that looks pretty darn cool. I love BB creams because I don't like to wear foundation a lot, so this would be perfect. So, okay, the first thing I'm seeing in here is from Eco Modern Essentials. It's called the Goddess Duo Self-Care Pure Essential Oil Blends. And let's see, what scents are these? If you guys have watched my channel before, you know I actually love essential oils, and so this is right up my alley. Wonder what the women's blend, what is in there? Let's smell it. So this is what the women's blend looks like. Ooh, that smells good. It's like lavender, so it's really like calming. This would be a good one to put in your diffuser at night, like before bedtime. That smells really good. And then this other one is Calm and De-Stress. Okay, I'm pretty sure we all need a little bit of that in our lives right about now. This one smells like so it's citrusy, but it kind of smells like that patchouli oil. Is that what that's called? I'm not a huge fan of that scent. Yeah, it definitely has a little bit of that in it, but it does smell good. These remind me of, I have used Young Living and doTERRA before, and I think they both actually remind me of a Young Living kind that I have. It was actually retail for $40. Wow, I've never even heard of that brand, but okay. So the next thing I'm seeing in here, this is Green Grass CBD Head to Toe Cream. Let's see, multi-active formula offers intense moisture, boosts hydration with soothing and calming benefits while leaving skin feeling smooth and restored. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe. Use 1 to 2 pumps. Now if this smells like, oh, it's not a spray. I was thinking it was a spray. So that is what this one looks like. And it's got like a little pump, but here. Oh, okay. So it just looks kind of like a lotion. It has absolutely no scent, which is good. Okay, so I don't know, it feels very hydrating. Not exactly sure what this is. Let me see what it says. It retails for $56. Wow, okay. This unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption. It's also packed with high-performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits. Cool. Okay, well, $56. Wow. Here, this is Pure Heals Propolis 80 sleeping mask. This stuff, I kind of like it. It's all stuff I've never heard of before. It's a very like skincare box so far. There's really not been really any makeup. So this is what this looks like. So this is what the little jar looks like. And it also came with one of these little spoons. I like that because then you don't touch it with your fingers and get it all contaminated. Okay, so it's got this little thing here, and whoa, that is very odd. So it's just kind of jelly, like, oh my gosh. At first I didn't think it had a scent, but yes, it definitely has a scent. It's not horrible, it just kind of smells like skincare. So let's see. It's enriched with 80% honeybee propolis extract. Provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. Okay, I mean, that sounds kind of cool. Oh, I guess, yeah, it does have little bees on the packaging. I totally missed that. Okay, so that is, I do like sleep masks. I mean, I don't really understand how they really differ from moisturizers, but let me read about this really fast. It's an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated, sensitive skin. And this retails for 55 bucks. Wow. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing in here, this is that Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. This is the little thing that I saw earlier, like the little coupon or whatever the heck it was. So this is what that looks like. It's just a BB cream. And it says oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. Cool. Like I said, I love BB creams. They're just so light, especially in the summer. They're nice to put on when you don't want to wear like a heavy foundation. So, and my color is in the color light, which that is definitely what I am. So that, although is really light, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear it in the summer, but maybe this one I could wear in the winter. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It's definitely lighter, I think. But okay, cool. I'm excited to give that a try. Oh, and that one retails for $35. Oh, and it's age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. Cool. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from Kylie Skin. I can honestly tell you I have never ever used anything from any of the Kardashians, so I am very curious to give this a shot. This is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. It's very pretty packaging. I do like it. So this is what that looks like. And then it has the little pump because it's a foaming one. Let's read about it a bit. This retails for $24. It is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And I am in the process of doing a video, like a skincare video for like 40 and older, because I am going to be 40 in a couple months. And I recently got a face wash, like a cleansing brush, and I'm curious to try this on the brush because I am loving how that thing is working. Like my skin just feels clean and it just feels soft. So I am curious to see if I tried using this in addition to the brush to see how well that would work. So I am excited to give this a try. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from Bodyography. This is a lip pencil 2-pack. So it looks to be like a lighter color and then a darker color. Let's see, do they have names? Pouty and Rosewood. So look like these colors would kind of go with a little bit of everything. So if you're using more of like a nude color or a lighter color, you'd probably go with this pouty one. And then if you're using a darker color, you'd probably go with this Rosewood. So let's just do a little, let's see. So that's the Rosewood one. It's pretty. And then here is the pouty. Ooh, that one's really pretty. It's actually more pink than I thought it would be. I like that one a lot, actually. That one actually looks like a lot of colors that I have, so okay, cool. I always forget to use a lip pencil, but maybe I need to start using one. These retail for $28. The next thing I'm seeing in here, this is from Tula Skincare. Glow and Get It, Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. A brightening eye balm that instantly hydrates, cools, and fills in the looks of lines and wrinkles. Okay, sign me up, because if you guys have ever watched any of my skincare videos, I'm always complaining about how dry my under eyes get, and this is something I need. So it looks to, oh, that is very weird. I think it's just a cap, right? Yeah. Oh, I've never seen anything like that before. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of put it on here. Ooh, it does feel really, really cooling. Like really cooling on my hand. I actually really like that. So I have a little makeup on right now, so I don't really want to put it on my eyes, but I'm very curious to see how that works out. It definitely did feel cooling. It's $28. This eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized, so you can glow and get it. It's cute. I like that, and it's cute little packaging too. Seeing in here is from Tarte. This is a Tarte. Is that how you say that? Tarte Pro Amazonian clay palette, and it looks to be, if these are the colors on the back, it looks very, very neutral. I have a lot of Tarte palettes, especially from my BoxyCharm, and the one that I use pretty much daily is from Tarte. So it's very, very pretty packaging. I love that, the gold and the black. It's very classy, very pretty. And then when you open it, oh, that is definitely not what I was expecting. It looks totally different from what it shows on the back. So I have, okay, so these are all mattes, and then these are shimmers. So if you are familiar with Tarte products, a lot of times what they do is like they kind of give you, like, each row is like a full eye look. So like you start with this color, and then you do, like, you put this on first, and then you do your crease here, and then that's a little bit darker, and then you have the like smoky dark, and then you have a shimmer. So yeah, those all kind of like go together. And I do really like that about Tarte because it's kind of foolproof, and I love, I don't know, I just think it's fun. So I do like these colors. This could be a palette that you pretty much just use every day, and you could get different looks like every single day. And talk about a nice big old mirror. Okay, this one retails for 49 bucks. Wow. Prepare for an expression explosion. Being passionate about pigment, the sequel to the OG Pro palette came to play. This rich, vibrant 20-shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. So cool. That's a really nice palette. I'm pretty sure I could put all of my other palettes away and like just use this one for quite some time and not get bored with it. So I'm just gonna do a swatch of some of these little shimmers. Ooh, these are pretty. Those are really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys can really see them on there. Ooh, those are pretty. Those are really pretty colors. And then, like I said, the rest of them are all mattes. So cool. I have to say, overall, I'm very happy with this box. I feel like it was the perfect amount of makeup and skincare. You kind of got a little bit of everything. Overall, I'm really happy about it. So let's add it up and see. By the way, it's variation number 6. I'm unsure. I'm assuming BOXYLUXEs have different variations as well, right? They can't all be the same. So let's just go through and see how much this one is worth. Holy moly, this box retailed for 315 bucks. That is crazy. So yeah, I would say this is a nice box. I'm overall very, very happy with it. So what did you guys think of your box this month? Did you get it? Did you like everything? What variation did you get? Are you guys getting the BOXYLUXE, or are you still just doing BoxyCharm? Or I think there's a premium as well. I don't know. There's so many different ones right now, I can't keep track. So yeah, I do pay for this by myself. This is not sent to me at all, just an FYI. So, all right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all next time.